Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an uncompromising architectural audit of Microsoft 365 Copilot, evaluating whether this enterprise cockpit is the ultimate savior of corporate productivity or an incredibly overpriced software tax that fails to justify its premium license overhead. Sidestepping basic standalone browser extensions, Microsoft has deeply wired this intelligence network straight into the back-end infrastructure of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams, utilizing their newly deployed GPT 5.5 quick response and model context protocol engines to establish a unified digital workspace. The undisputed mechanical triumph of this platform ecosystem is its flawless multi-app context awareness. By reading your active local documents, Copilot completely eliminates manual layout scripting by instantly translating a raw project proposal in Word into a fully formatted multi-slide PowerPoint deck with native speaker notes in under 60 seconds. While its live Teams meeting matrix automatically charts actionable corporate decisions and maps upcoming deliverables straight to your Outlook calendar without interrupting active audio streams. This is beautifully backed by an advanced Excel agent layer that effortlessly parses a 10,000-row data spreadsheet, identifies anomalies, and constructs custom summary charts using native Python scripts in less than 2 minutes without requiring you to write a single complex formula. However, looking past this smooth workplace automation exposes rigid financial limits and steep operational bottlenecks that draw sharp criticism across IT deployment forums. The single most prominent hurdle is the platform's strict, punishing pricing layout, which adds a flat $30 per user monthly strictly on top of your existing Microsoft 365 Business Plan subscription, with an absolute zero-tolerance policy for shared or free basic tiers, making massive organizational rollouts an incredibly expensive corporate gamble. This severe financial friction is compounded by a highly inconsistent output quality variance, where the system occasionally shifts from brilliant contextual summaries to generic text drafts or flat-out logic hallucinations on niche coding tasks, forcing users into tedious manual verification cycles that completely break your initial team editing velocity. Ultimately, if you are a power corporate user, scaling director, or project manager completely embedded in the Microsoft Office pipeline, who demands instant thread summaries and deep data charts, the incredible time savings provide an undeniable return on investment. But if your daily workflow lives outside their ecosystem, weigh these heavy licensing costs against your actual software utilization rates. Track your exact team productivity metrics, audit their fresh security controls, and leverage this cloud cockpit to automate your Office pipeline today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.